Right, mate?
Yeah.
Lovely. Yeah. Yeah.
At the moment, we got it there when it went.
Yeah.
Talking about, bro. Light. Oh, no, it's cool, isn't it? You missed us, man, bro.
Danny did as well.
I've seen it, mate. The video. Tuesday night. That was down here Tuesday night, and we were. Cool. Yeah, it's
you
awesome,
know what
man.
I'm talking about.
Yeah.
High as hell.
Headlights.
No strobes?
The white one has to be on the down, isn't it? Downside.
Yeah.
Because coming. Yeah.
They're like landing lights, so they come on when you're coming into land.
You know, yeah. That's wicked, brother! Light in the break. I like the night times, bro. This is the best. Can't beat this one. This is the one.
It is mad at night, isn't it?
But
It's dark and all, isn't it?
It is dark, man, yeah. You couldn't fly your normal plane in this, man.
Yeah, like the darkest you've flown, isn't it?
Yeah, the Foco,
best
yeah.
time to fly. Best. Oh, sorry.
Definitely. Just gets a bit ropey when you're coming to land. Disappears.
Enjoy, brother.
Whoa! You see that?
Go far. How
Whoa,
far
whoa,
you can
whoa.
go? How far you can go? Show me
Oh,
how.
it would disappear, mate.
Don't lose the control.
Nah. Whoa. Them headlights.
I see you. I see you.
Them bugs are everywhere, aren't they?
Oh, it's right up there, but
Moon killing us in the moon tonight. The moon killing us, bro.
Yeah. Yeah.
Go to the moon.
Yeah.
Go to the moon.
Oh, it's ropey tonight.
That was shaking because the wind.
Yeah. Horrible. It's just a shadow, isn't it? Yeah, it does make good stills.
There, I'm telling you. Go there. Adam,
Huh?
go to right side again.
Behind us,
Yeah, come on.
where it's light. Yeah, it gets a bit lighter. This one.
Fly, innit? Coming. Telling you.
Sorry?
My battery's broken.
Oh, is it? Yeah. On your drone?
Yeah.
Oh. You ordered a new one?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
I might as well just order a new drone because it keeps on going to one side as well.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
Oh, it might be one of your motors are dead.
You know what you need, Adam?
Yeah.
More lightning.
I know. Yeah.
More
Need light at the back,
lightning,
don't I?
trust me. And then fly there.
You can't see it there, can you?
No, you can. I mean, go more.
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 Yeah. I do want more.
Do the divings, you know?
I do want more.
Shine it, bro. I don't know what you do to put more lights on the tails, on the head, on the back side, downside, more lights.
yeah, then you ruin the plane, then you ruin the
Authenticity of it.
scale of it. It's like a Christmas tree there.
Have we got your practice one?
No.
Can you bring it down
The best
today?
Yeah, we'll do one day, yeah.
This one is okay.
Which one would this be on? What would it be called?
It's under Adam John's.
Yeah. What, the top one?
Yeah, the one with the picture of a bridge. I think it's the top one.
What video?
Yeah, it'll be one of the next ones, the top ones, the recent ones. I'll put it on the coming in. I'll put it on tonight.
This one is.
It was nice.
Beautiful.
Yeah, it'll be on there tonight. Smile for the camera. Boo, 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 boo.